This learning module became viral on social media. It used sexually suggestive names or phrases. According to Presidential Spokesperson Harry Roque, it's best to ask the Catholic Church. The Department of Education has issued a statement disowning the module. Secretary Leonor Briones said they will be filing charges for putting DepEd's program in a bad light.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.